Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix error code 0x80070652 while updating Windows 11. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Troubleshoot, then click on Other Troubleshooters. Now in Windows Update, click on Run. Now follow the instruction if you see in this window. And once you done Windows Update Troubleshoot, so second method you can try. Click on Start, type CMD, right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now here guys, this the command sfc /scan now and press enter. Now guys, this command take a couple of minutes, so complete this scanning, and once this scanning will complete, close it and restart. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve error code 0x80070652 while updating Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and please comment this two method work for you or not. First method is just you have to troubleshoot Windows update, and second method is scanning. So use command line sfc scan now. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.